Hi, this is the NAM1700, the 2DP Nakamichi head unit. Comes with the 2 ISO fascia included. It has USB port, microphone included, and the SD card reader. On the back we have ISO harness, the input for an external microphone. We also have backup camera, video input, 3 pre-outs with 4 volts, 2 videos outputs. Also comes with ISO harness and steering wheel harness. Also hardware included and a remote controller. So we have the radio connected. As you can see, this is the radio interface. Now I'm going to show the home page where you can see the radio, the Autolink app, the Bluetooth, the USB, the aux input, the card reader, the steering wheel controls, the setup and the equalizer. You can also connect a rear view camera, and I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going here, you can see the different things on the menu. You can choose Europe, you can choose whether you like RDS or not, if you want the sounds in the beeps, the brake control and the steering wheel. Let's go here. I'm going to clear this up. I have a 4-focal stock here with an interface inside. I'm going to clear and show how it is. I'm going to press here for the plus, for minus volume, source, up and down. Now you save it and you can go and change back to the radio. Plus volume, minus volume, on front and behind again. Now, I'm going to show you how you can pair the Bluetooth. It's very simple. This is in Portuguese, but it's very simple. I'm going to put here my code. Open the Bluetooth. You can find it here. Nakamichi. You can add, I'm going to lower the volume, you say has to pair, and it's connected. I'm going to call my wife so you can see the quality of the audio. You can change the pin here. This is the default one, and let's see how the call is going to be. Put the volume a bit up. You can add an external microphone. I'm using only the front microphone. Hi, Luisa.
Hi.
I'm testing the NAM1700 Nakamichi head units. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Is the call okay? Is any problem, any interference on the call?
No.
So, as you can hear, my wife is on the phone with me and the sound is very clear. I'm going to ask her to, I'm going to call her again because I'm going to show you the Autolink app.
Okay.
Thank you, bye-bye. So, you need to install the Autolink app and you can mirror the screen from your phone to the radio. I recommend you to use the original cable or a good quality ones. I have for my simple the cables and I'm showing you how to use it. You just need to install the app like I showed you, pair the Bluetooth for the audio and you just link it here. It will pop up directly on the phone. As you can see, this is the same thing that I'm here, and it's the bidirectional connection. So you can see what I'm doing here, it happens on the phone. I'm going to call my wife again. So I'm doing everything in the radio, you just need to plug in the phone and you do it on here. You can also use other apps like Waze, like Google Maps or even YouTube. You have to be responsible, you only should view YouTube if you are parked. Hi Luisa.
Hi.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay, so I'm going to pair also the iPhone, and then I would like you to call me so I can show how to get the phone calls when the Mirrorlink, the Autolink is engaged with the iPhone. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. So I was telling, how I was telling my wife, you can use the iPhone to pair also with this phone. I'm going to disconnect the Bluetooth on the Android phone here. And now I'm going to use the iPhone. It's the same process. You go, let me open the iPhone. You go for the Bluetooth connections. You choose Nakamichi and it's paired. Now you have the Bluetooth on, you can see it here, the Bluetooth, and you can make the calls or receive the calls. If you receive a call or you want to make a call, it's very simple. You go here, you get here for the calls. If you pair with the phone, I'm not going to pair. If you want to call, just put the number here and you can dial it here. Okay. On the Autolink app on the iPhone, it's a little bit different. Let me show you here. Also, use the lightning cable, the Apple factory cable, or a good quality one. These are the ones from Autolink, and I'm going to plug it here. The iPhone is going to ask, you don't need to install the app here, you just need to connect the radio and say trust. Then it's going to ask you the code. I don't use this phone, this is just to make the videos. And as you can see here, this is an omnidirectional connection. So if you connect it, if you move it here, you can see what is happening here. As I told you, you can also see YouTube. Then now I'm going to ask my wife to call me. If you are using Autolink for mirroring the phone, you cannot get a call directly here. You have to do it like this. You have to go back here to the radio again. The Bluetooth pops up and you get it here. Hi, Luisa.
Hi.
I'm calling from the iPhone. Are you listening to me okay?
Yes, very well.
Very well, thank you. I'm showing how to use the iPhone with the Mirrorlink Autolink app on the Nakamichi radio. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Then you can disconnect it here, and if you want to go back, you just need to wait. It's going to ask you if you want to trust, put the code, and you're done. You can see whatever is on your phone on the radio.